Tomatoes are one of the most versatile ingredients in the world, found in everything from savory stews and spicy curries to refreshing salads and comforting pasta dishes. Their rich flavor, acidity, and sweetness make them a key ingredient in many of the world's most beloved dishes. Today, we're counting down the top 20 most famous tomato dishes in the world, exploring their origins, ingredients, and why they are loved worldwide. Which tomato dish is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food videos. Now let's dive in. 20. Ratatouille, France. This classic French vegetable stew features tomatoes, zucchini, eggplant, and bell peppers slow-cooked with olive oil, garlic, and herbs. It's a colorful, healthy dish that highlights the sweetness of tomatoes. 19. Shakshuka, Middle East and North Africa. A flavorful tomato and egg dish, shakshuka consists of poached eggs simmered in a spiced tomato sauce, often served with warm bread for dipping. 18. Bruschetta, Italy. A simple yet delicious appetizer, bruschetta features grilled bread topped with diced tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and fresh basil. It's a staple of Italian cuisine. 17. Papa al pomodoro, Italy. A rustic Tuscan tomato soup made with stale bread, tomatoes, basil, olive oil, and garlic, creating a thick and hearty texture. 16. Caprese salad, Italy. A refreshing simple salad, caprese combines sliced fresh tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, fresh basil, olive oil, and balsamic glaze for a perfect balance of flavors. 15. Menemen, Turkey. Similar to shakshuka, menemen is a Turkish scrambled egg dish, cooked in a spicy tomato and pepper sauce, often enjoyed for breakfast. 14. Salsa roja, Mexico. A classic Mexican sauce, salsa roja is made with blended tomatoes, chili peppers, onions, garlic, and lime juice, commonly used as a topping for tacos, enchiladas, and nachos. 13. Spanish gazpacho, Spain. A cold tomato soup, gazpacho is a refreshing blend of tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, onions, and garlic, perfect for hot summer days. 12. Bolognese sauce, Italy. A rich, slow-cooked tomato and meat sauce, bolognese is a staple of Italian pasta dishes, typically served over tagliatelle or spaghetti. 11. Kachumbari, East Africa. A fresh tomato and onion salad, popular in Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda, often served as a side dish with grilled meats or rice dishes. 10. Stuffed tomatoes, France, Mediterranean. Tomatoes are hollowed out and filled with a mixture of rice, herbs, cheese, or ground meat, then baked until tender and flavorful. 9. Margherita pizza, Italy. A world-famous pizza, margherita features a simple tomato sauce base, fresh mozzarella, and basil, representing the colors of the Italian flag. 8. Panzanella, Italy. A Tuscan bread salad made with chunks of soaked stale bread, tomatoes, onions, basil, and olive oil, creating a delicious, refreshing dish. 7. Chakalaka, South Africa. A spicy vegetable relish, chakalaka is made with tomatoes, beans, onions, and chili peppers, often served as a side dish for braai, South African BBQ. 6. Tomato chutney, India. A spicy, tangy condiment, tomato chutney is cooked with tomatoes, garlic, mustard seeds, and chili peppers, often served with dosa or idli. 5. Sugo di pomodoro, Italy. A classic Italian tomato sauce made by slow-cooking tomatoes, garlic, onions, and herbs, used as a base for many pasta dishes. 4. Tom Yum soup, Thailand. A spicy and sour Thai soup, Tom Yum features a tomato-infused broth with shrimp, lemongrass, and lime leaves, delivering a punch of flavor. 3. Tomato rasam, India. A South Indian spicy soup, tomato rasam is made with tomato broth, tamarind, lentils, and spices, often served with rice. 2. Arrabbiata pasta, Italy. A spicy Italian pasta sauce, arrabbiata is made from tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and red chili flakes, served over penne pasta. 1. Chicken tikka masala, UK, India. A creamy, spiced tomato-based curry, chicken tikka masala is one of the most famous Indian-inspired dishes worldwide. featuring grilled chicken cooked in a rich tomato sauce with butter and cream. That's our list of the top 20 most famous tomato dishes. From spicy curries to fresh salads and rich pasta sauces, tomatoes play a key role in global cuisine. Which tomato dish is your favorite? Did we miss any must-try dishes? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food videos. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next food adventure.